The cheapest home insurance for 2023. Among large insurance, State Farm has the cheapest annual home insurance on the average at $1,500 according to the NerdWallet's analysis. Here is the table of contact. Neglect that the cheapest homeowner insurance from large companies. NerdWallet looked at average rates from some of the largest companies according across the US to find out which ones has the most affordable home insurance premiums. Use the table below to see average annual rates for the three cheapest large companies along with NerdWallet star rating. Selecting the company name to learn more about each users. State Farm average annual rate $1,500. Illustrate $1,660. USSA $1,775. More about the cheapest homeowner insurance company. Here is the more about that. The country largest home insurer, State Farm, stand out for the financial strength and many coverage options. The company also draws fewer complaints than expected to the state regulators for an insurer to its size according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. With the local agents across the country, State Farm can offer customers personalized help over the phone or even in the person. But if you did rather do everything online, you can use the company's website to pay bills, file claims, and get quotes. The large insurer offers a wide range of additional coverage options beyond the basics. For example, you can add home sharing coverage if you rent out your space on services such as Airbnb or coverage to pay for energy efficient improvement after a claim. Eight websites offer lots of information and you will useful features. There are some downside to choosing an illustrate policy. The company draws more complaints than expected for an insurer of its size, according to the NAIC. The company sells homeowner insurance only to active military veterans and their families. USSA generally cover a longing and a replacement cost basis. That means if your items are stolen or destroyed, the company will pay enough for you to buy brand new replacements without detecting the depreciation. Some companies charge extra for the type of coverage. USAA offers discounts for having multiple policies with the company, going at least 5 years without a claim, and installing certain smart home devices. Cheapest home insurance rates in the each state. Where you live typically has a big impact on the cost of the insurance for your house and possession. How close you live to the coast, crime rates in your area, population density, and more can also influence your rate. The table below shows the most affordable home insurance company in each state and its average annual rates. State is known as Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, and some more. These are the states and their insurance in the dollars. Note that USAA offered the cheapest homeowner insurance in the West Virginia and Washington DC on average. We didn't include it in the table above because its policies are available only to active military veterans and their families. Cheapest homeowner insurance in the 20 major cities are given below. Here we call a name one by one: Aston, Charlotte, Chicago, Columbus, Dallas, Denver, EI, Fort Worth, Houston, Jacqueline, Las Vegas, New York, Phoenix, San Antonio, San etc. Cheapest home insurance for the different situations. Just because an insurer is affordable for one set of the circumstances doesn't mean that company will always be the best option. NerdWallet looked at how different factors have an impact on the cheapest home insurance rates available. To determine the top insurer for each category, NerdWallet compared rates among the companies for which we had data in at least 15 stages. We choose the five cheapest option in each category.